Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your contacts app. So pull up the app tray and go to contacts right here. And from here, just skip, we don't want to sign in. Go to the menu right here and into the settings. From settings on the bottom, you'll find import export. Now we're interested in importing. Once you tap on it, choose that you want to import from a SIM card, and it gives you all the list of contacts that are on the SIM. Now there's not very many on the SIM that I'm using, so by default they're all selected, so you can deselect the ones that you, for instance, don't want, and once you're satisfied you can just tap on the check mark. Gives you 2 SIM contacts imported. That's all I had selected, and when you go back, there should be visible right here. So that is how you'd copy contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.